Hello. What is going on, guys? Welcome back here to my channel. It's Dr. Ambitious here, and today I want to talk to you about my experience with my Forex funds. Currently I have 200K account that I'm trading. It is a challenge phase, as you can see, evaluation phase one demo. This is 200K account that I currently trading, but this is not what I'm talking to you guys about today. Even though I just started this account, but we're gonna be going back in time. We're gonna be going back to late last year, I believe, when I was trading a $300,000 account and I was able to cash out 13 grand, which was really beautiful. But I like to keep it transparent with you guys. I like to carry you guys along my journey. So yes, I did pass my challenge 300K and I did get payout. But after I got my first payout, something happened. Like many other traders, they got excited, they lose their account, and they have to start afresh, which is okay. But so let's talk about this account here, which was sometime last year, late last year, I believe, around fall period, fall season actually. This account, yeah, as you can see, I did end up violating the maximum drawdown. The account went up in profit about, as you can see here, it went up about $16,000, and I was able to take home about, how much did I take home? 13 grand. How much is that? It's about 80% of that, which is very interesting. So what I'm gonna do here is show you guys a payout proof. I know you guys like to see payout proof. Um, I received the payment through my deal account actually. So I'm just gonna go ahead and log in here into my deal account. Actually, this is one of the best ways to receive your payout. All right, logging in. As you can see, I'm logging in afresh, so I'm not even faking anything here. So this is my deal account, and as you can see here, this is Traders Global Group Incorporated. I believe this is the name they registered their company as in Canada. And as you can see, the profit came in about 13 grand. And okay, what happened here? All right, it's about 13 grand, and this is me just withdrawing the cash into my account. I took some straight into my bank and I withdrew some into my PayPal account. So this was my biggest profit so far with my Forex fund. I believe my biggest profit with a prop from in the prop firm history, I think, was about $21,000 back in 2020 after the pandemic, and that hasn't happened yet. I haven't made that much yet from prop firms, but that was my biggest payout, and this has been my second biggest payout when it comes to prop firm. And I'm very confident in my strategy, but not everyone is perfect. Sometimes they have their parameters. If it was a life account, a personal life account, you wouldn't have blown it. I wouldn't have blown it. But if they give you 12% to play with, sometimes they just don't go in your favor. But there's a new risk management strategy that I literally uploaded a video a few days ago, and I urge you guys to watch that video. That strategy is gonna help you and prevent you from violating your strategy, from violating the maximum drawdown, which is almost everyone's weakness when it comes to these prop firms. So watch that video and thank me later. So this is it regarding my FTM, my Forex fund account. I'm back with them now. Now I'm trading the 200K account and I'm applying the strategy. So for every drawdown I have left, I'm always going to divide it by 10. With this prop firm, I'm going to keep dividing it by 10 and risking whatever I have left, especially when I'm in a drawdown, because I can't afford to have too much drawdown. It can affect the days you have left, and you wanna remain in the game for as long as possible. Always live to fight another day. Don't release all your energy on one trade. Don't let one trade determine what happens, because that was what happened with that account. I allowed one trade to get to me. I kept taking trade after lose, because I expected to win that trade. Especially when you believe you are gonna win a trade and the trade goes against you, you feel the need to get a revenge. And you get back in again and again and again, and you keep losing. You're like, David, come on, you got to stop this. But hey, now I know. Now you learn. You learn by things you do. You learn as you go, and never be too hard on yourself. That's my advice to you. Leave room to make mistake and leave room for yourself. Don't beat yourself up. There's always another chance, and ignore the noises out there. The grass is always green on the other side. And if you need to take a break, which was what I did as well, I was also focusing on my studies. No, I can't. I didn't want to do two at the same time. I wanted to take some time off, focus on my studies, and now I'm officially back. And hopefully, I can continue making videos for you guys and documenting my journey. I'm gonna be trading with lots and lots of prop firms, and I have a couple of investors reaching out to me. I'm gonna be, I'm not gonna reveal who they are. Some of them are brokers actually. I'm gonna be trading for some brokers this year. I'm gonna be trading and documenting my strategy. I won't be revealing who those are, but as far as the prop firms are concerned, yes, I will document my journey with them and also review my trading strategy, technical, and also risk management strategy. Those are the two things we need, and we need to have our mind and emotions in control as well. I'm also going to be sharing my thought process with you guys concerning this account going forward. And when we get to the payout, you're going to be part of my journey. You will be notified, and you will know how much we are making on this account. So I'll catch you guys in my next video. Have a great week.